Hey everyone, John here. Today we're unboxing the Opoqo Mini Projector. First thing I'd like to say right off the bat is I like this box. I like the cool purple design on the front with the logo. Looks pretty cool. Let's open this up and see what's going on. It amazes me how the engineering that must go into the packaging to make everything fit in the box like this. This box is definitely no different. Sometimes I have a little bit of trouble getting into these boxes, but they are very precise in the way that they do things. Inside of this box is another little box. Let's take this out, open it up, and see what's inside. Inside here we've got what looks to be an HDMI cable, a power cord, cool snazzy remote control, very helpful, very convenient, a quick start guide, and a user manual. It looks like this item has quite a few features because this is a fairly thick user guide. Alright, underneath that box of goodies is the other box, or item itself. This is packaged in foam, looks like, and it is also wrapped in a protective bag to keep any kind of dust out from when it's being stored wherever they keep it. And here we go. It's the item itself. Has a very convenient rubber handle. There's a button on the top. That looks like the power button. The lens itself. Then on the back, we've got an HDMI cable, a USB port, a headphone jack, and what looks to be another remote control sensor. On the bottom there are these non-slip rubber feet, and it looks like a threaded port to put it on a stand, and a power cord port. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.